Help me pick up some red onions?
Taking you to red onions. Red onions are here.
With Meta doing all they can to get into the AI world, we can see how they have put a lot of effort into Aria Gen 2, their brand new smart glasses. In the past, we have seen a ton of these smart glasses fail to match up with their expectations, and as such, it would not be too surprising if many dismiss Aria Gen 2. In spite of such sentiments, we are glad to say that the new Aria Gen 2 is truly spectacular. With that being said, let's take a look at the amazing new Aria Gen 2 smart glasses. Innovation. One of the first things that users will notice when it comes to the Aria Gen 2 smart glasses is that they actually feel different. This is because they come with sensors that are able to track your hands, eyes, and even your heartbeat. Fire, right? What's even more amazing about these smart glasses is that they could very well shape the future of robotics and AI if all goes well. It's interesting that such a sentiment is associated with the Aria Gen 2 smart glasses, especially as they are not AI themselves, at least not in the traditional sense. What do we mean? We mean that they are not fitted with AI models such as Gemini and ChatGPT. Instead, they are fitted with advanced sensors and on-device AI processing capabilities that are able to gather and process a ton of information from the user's perspective. This essentially helps the user know that what they are seeing and hearing is authentic. It is even able to process how the user moves. This is possible thanks to technologies such as SLAM, that is the simultaneous localization and mapping, eye tracking, hand tracking, and speech recognition, among others. As these features are all fixed to the glasses themselves, users must be pleased when they learn that you do not need to be connected to the internet to make use of the glasses. Additionally, we know that things will only get better with Aria Gen 2 because researchers will be able to take all the detailed data gathered by the user to do things such as create AI models or even train AI robots to react and interact with the physical world in a more natural manner. In essence, one can consider the Aria Gen 2 glasses to be some sort of mobile research lab that can help scientists and developers gain the tools they need to experiment with new ideas that could eventually allow for the improvement and construction of smarter AI systems and robots. Truly fascinating stuff. Usability for people with disabilities. With such features, we can understand how many may be focused on the amazing functions of the Aria Gen 2 smart glasses. That said, we must also remember how these glasses could prove to be life changers for people with disabilities. With that in mind, it seems as though the guys at Meta are doing all they can to make sure that this could be a great solution with people that have lost the ability to see as well as others. For example, we can take a look at how the features of the Aria Gen 2 glasses have been able to help this woman walk through a store and have a real sense of space while suffering from a level of blindness. Thinking about it, the use of such glasses today is phenomenal, especially as companies such as Lumen have tried to come up with similar products in the past. That said, this could really prove to be a pivotal item for those working in the AI industry, because ChatGPT and other similar AI models have paved the way in the world of AI. Such glasses could prove to turn the tide in terms of use, especially as things such as glasses are being used every day by the average person. Think about it. How many of you guys watching this video are watching it with glasses right now? Availability. With such in mind, fans of Meta and fans of this product as a whole may be delighted to learn that the guys at Meta have upgraded the Ray-Bans version of their Aria Gen 2 glasses. As such, those who may be interested may want to take a look at this upgrade so that they could get a better understanding of how Meta was able to embed AI into those ones. This could prove to be really useful because while these are available for analysis, the Aria Gen 2 glasses aren't necessarily available to the public just yet. Alternatives and the difficulties in producing such smart glasses. That said, we must also mention that there are other glasses that are coming out of the Meta workshop. Just take a look at the Orion glasses. Unlike Aria Gen 2, these are actually AI glasses. Well, at least that is what the guys at Meta purported when they were revealed to the world all just last year in 2024. As such, users may find them interesting to at least experiment with because they can be found on a different platform. Despite being on different platforms, the belief is that these are also likely to become something of a mainstream item once they are released to the public. That being said, We may have to wait a while because they may not be leased until 2027. You guys may be gutted, but there is still a lot of work to be done with such Orion, especially as AR is quite tricky to get right. You cannot blame them for doing all they can to take their time with this one, especially as they are working with such a thin pair of glasses. Putting such features on such a thin frame is difficult enough, and as such, every minute counts. Even Mark Zuckerberg himself lamented about the difficulty of putting such features on such thin frames. We must remember that these glasses are not like headsets where they can install some sort of wire. They weigh less than 100 grams, and this adds to the difficulty, as the smart glasses will need a wide field of view and holographic displays among other features, while also being sharp enough to pick up details and being sharp enough to see in different lighting conditions, among other important features. Let's just say that the developers have a lot of work on their hands before they can get everything right with Orion. It may be best not to rush them so that they can put the best product out there once we get to 2027. The future of glasses in 2030. With such glasses coming to play sometime soon, we would not be surprised if some of you guys may be wondering about what the future of glasses may look like come the end of the decade and beyond. Well, people like Noam Shazir, Google's co-lead on Gemini, have come to believe that by 2030, we will actually have AI systems in our glasses. When you think about this, such a future is awesome because the AI system will be able to give the user advice while also helping them solve problems in real time. With such features coming into play, there is every chance that this would become the default form factor, much like products such as Alexa. This would be due to the fact that the way we use our mobile phones half the time can be considered to be a bit of an inconvenience. With glasses being something that a good chunk of the global population uses, making use of glasses with a workable interface may be the future that we all need to access information with ease. With the glasses being able to help the user in real time, while also making access to such information easier as it's fixed to your face, instead of having to reach out for your phones in your pocket or some other cumbersome place, there is every chance that these smart glasses would be game changers. Think about it this way. While the smart glasses are fixed to your face, they will be able to give you instantaneous information while you walk down the road. For example, they may be able to scan your perimeter in a bid to help you spot any potential danger that may be within said perimeter. Aside from that, it may also be able to help you with things such as curb a habit for excess spending, perhaps by even helping you come up with a daily spending budget. The potential seems endless, and as such, we have every right to be excited about what these smart glasses of the future have for us. If they are anything like what Meta purports Aria Gen 2 and Orion to be, then we are truly in for a treat in the future. What do you guys think? Are you guys ready for the integration of AI and other features into your smart glasses? Let us know what you think of the future in the comment section. We surely can't wait for the glasses of the future too.